Alright, hey y'all. So, I bought this wax thing from Amazon because I want to wax some of my facial hair, and other areas that may need waxing. I've never waxed before, so I'm nervous to try this. But let's see what we have here. Persian cold wax, sensitive skin formula, washable hair remover, face, legs, and body. So it has a sugar paste, 20 washable strips, and 2 spatulas. So just open this up. So I guess these are the wax strips and the spatulas. And then it has like the instructions here. And then it has the wax. So just to kind of test it out, I'm gonna just so it looks like. Whoa, this is so thick. Okay, we just gonna close that and open this up and see what it says. It's so sticky. These are the spatulas. Okay, so wait at least 2 weeks or until your hair is 1/2 centimeter long before using it. So I won't really be able to use it on my face. Maybe just like my side hairs, but not like down here. Yeah. So see what else it says. Wash your skin with soap and water or use oil-free toner. Dry well. So I feel like my skin's pretty dry. Always do a patch test on an area to be smoothed and wait 24 hours. If no irritation occurs, then continue. Okay. Do not use deodorants or antiperspirants for 24 hours after underarm application. How to use. Okay, because I was like, if that's all the instructions, I'm screwed. Spread a very thin layer in the direction of the hair growth using the spatula. Immediately apply the strip and rub to adhere well. Hold skin taut below strip with one hand, then grasp the lower end of the strip with the other and pull up quickly in the opposite direction. The same strip may be used several times. Okay, so it shows you how to do each of these areas. So I'm seeing they want you to hold the area down and then do it. So you don't just rip it off, like you need to hold the area and then do it. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I've never waxed before, like not even in a salon. So I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like my pain tolerance is pretty high and apparently it's not that painful, or it's not as painful as other ones. But I'm gonna look at the reviews first to see what people said and like, yeah, and then I'm gonna try. So guys, I'm gonna try probably on my legs or something first, and then try on my face. So I'll see you guys in a bit.